Hey, good afternoon for Nigeria time. I don't know where you are, but in Nigeria it's afternoon, so I greet you good afternoon. No, in Nigeria language here, and in the Igbo language is a no. But wherever you are, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I don't know what the time is. I say good afternoon to you. Live. This is the Igbo tutor. Wherever you are now, I will encourage you to join up now as we begin our today's live session, which is Let's Speak and Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So wherever you are, join up now. Let's do this together. I am waiting for my students to come on board. This is the Igbo tutor live. So we wouldn't have time to wait for anybody. So if you are hearing my voice now and you're around, please join up. Okay, I've seen Sober Not is already in the class. No, Sober Not. Please indicate if you are hearing my voice, Sober Not. Are you hearing me? Let me hear you say hi. Okay, you have written hello. Please confirm that my voice is audible enough, Sober Not. Can you hear me? Yeah, please confirm that. It's important to me. If you can hear me, Sober Not, please indicate you are the first to come to class today. No, appreciate you have been here right on time. This is the Igbo tutor live. So wherever you are, it's good you join up on time because we want to take off without wasting any time at all. This is the Igbo tutor live. We are dealing with Let's Talk Igbo Language live. Wherever you are Igbo students, you are Igbo friend, you're interested in learning Igbo language, you're married to Igbo as a fiancé or fiancé, or you are a husband or wife connected to Igbo people, you are born by Igbo parents, and you find it difficult to speak Igbo language. We are here for you. Let me introduce myself. I am Mazi Okafo. I am the anchor of the Igbo Tutor, a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching Igbo language to everyone and anyone wherever you are in a unique way. We began to run this live session on popular demand to afford everyone who cares the opportunity to learn Igbo language and challenge yourself to measure your level of progress in learning Igbo language. So wherever you are, join up now. We do this every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time. But if you are using global time, our time is 1300 GMT. We want to keep to time. At least we schedule to have this for 1 hour. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. We deal with it and we step out. So we won't wait for anyone. We want to start from where we stopped last week. So I welcome everybody to the house. Sober Not said, I'm clear enough. Okay, Ben, no. Okay, Igbo, you are here. They won't. Let me know if you are here. If I have not mentioned it. Okay, Chikezie is here. McDonald, Kuzibiko, Nodo. Okay, he said, I should Nodo. What do you want me to do? I didn't get to Chikezie. Okay, Nodo Allah. Okay, Kuzibiko Nodo Allah. All right. Okay, maybe then I was trying to fix something. I was walking. Now I'm seated. Thank you, Chikezie. So, who else do I have here? I've not mentioned his or her name. If I've not mentioned your name, please let me know I've not mentioned your name so that we can pick up now and begin our class without wasting time. So you are welcome to class today. We are starting right away. I hope others will join up on time so that we don't repeat what we have done before all over again. Last week, we are doing our Igbo drill. In case this is your first time that we are doing Igbo language drill. Let's talk Igbo language live. Here, we practice and challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language. First, we challenge you to understand the sound of Igbo words. So we give you the Igbo words. We challenge you to, comprehend the sound and the meaning of the word. So we give you the word, you indicate the spelling of the word rightly and the Igbo version of it, because we're going to give you possibly in English or in Igbo, you interpret it in English. So when we've done that, we go forward to make a sentence using the same word. So that is another level of tests and measurement of your level of understanding. After we've done that, we would have expanded our knowledge of the sound of Igbo word, the knowledge of the alphabet, and ability to make a simple sentence using the Igbo word. So that's what we do here. Wherever you are right at the right place. Join up now and let's do this together. So I still have 3 people here. Chikezie Madonna, Sober North, okay, Sober North, and who again? Clement Emehe has just come in now. Thank you, Clement, for coming in. I have Ben, you see Ben, no. So I think I have my regulars already. I have to shoot now. Others have to join up because we agreed to keep to time. Now we begin. Last week, we stopped at itutuko, to gather together. Can you confirm if that's the last word we treated last week? Itutuko, to gather together. Was that the last word we dealt with last week? Can somebody confirm that before we move on with today's lesson? Is that the last word? Itutuko, by my record. That is our last word, to gather together. Can you confirm if that is actually correct? If that is the last word we dealt with last week? Itutuko, to gather together. Is that the last word we dealt with last week? Was that our last word last week? Can somebody confirm that? Yeah? Who is confirming that? Am I right or am I wrong? Kedu ka imere? Okay, sober not. Emere mo fuma de mumma. Sober kedu? No, one them why sober not. Okay, emere mo nkoma de mumma. O maginwa, ke makaginwa. Okay, who is talking? Okay, I wasn't here last time. Of course, I know. Sober not, you are not here last Saturday. I know very well. Okay. My guy said that he thought that is a Ben, that it was Gwakoreta that was the last sentence we dealt with last week. Is that Gwakoreta? Was that the last sentence we dealt with last week? Let me check. Is that Gwakoreta? Is that? I'm trying to check my notes. Gwakoreta. No, we went beyond Gwakoreta last week. We went beyond that. We did Gwakoreta. We did Gwam Oku, talk to me. We did it last week. We did Owopota, scoop out last week. Okay? We did Ramporo, sow seed last week. Okay? My name is pronounced as Shivon. Oh my God. Shivon. Sorry, my dear, for murdering your name. Okay? I'm talking to Shivon now. I'm sorry for murdering your name. Pardon me. I'm a local Igbo man. So I'm pronouncing your name like my mother used to pronounce or would pronounce. So I'm using my mother tongue. So pardon me. But I try to do that. Shivon. Let me write it down so I don't commit the error again. Shivon. That is for my sister, Shibon not. How about not? It's not pronounced as not also. Let me be sure it's not only Shivon that we are going to pronounce like that. Is that Shibon? How about not? Is it not correct? Shobon not. It's Shobon. Shobon. Is that correct? Yes, I know you have told me before. Can you just pardon me? Let's go on together. I know you've told me before. I'm an old man, so I forget so easily. Okay, we have some internet problem last week, so we went into overtime. So some people may have dropped. Oh, you are right. Where does the name come from? You mean Shivon? Please don't give me wahala this afternoon. Don't ask me where the name come from. That's the name the mother gave to her or him. Network Ajoka, Izu Kagaraga, Ichetara, Ezioku. Yeah, network was bad last week. So where do we continue from? Do we go back to Wopota or Gwakoreta? Where do we continue from? Let me know where majority of us stopped last week. Yes, like the direction. Okay, it's Irish. Okay, Siobhan said her name is Irish. Now, those of you that Igbo, you are the one asking. You have heard it now. It's Irish. I don't know what you want to do with that. Don't bring problem to this class. But I know we are from different parts of the world. Irish, Igbo, you are from Austria. Am I right? I hope I didn't miss it. Okay? Okay. And then Alex Hemer. Alex Hemer, you are welcome to class. I guess this is the first time you are coming to our class. Alex Hemer. Did I get your name right? Okay. My guy is Igbo. Siobhan say my guy is Igbo. Of course, I know that's why you're learning Igbo. You want to tackle your guy with Igbo language and make sure you win the heart full time. Nah, you did too much. Siobhan, I like your style. So, Mr. Alex Hamer, Austria, yeah, Igbo, you're from Austria. Some people are from USA, Canada, Irish, Austria, everywhere. We are the same family in Igbo language. So, Alex Hamer, you are joining us for the first time. Please indicate the country you are joining us from, Alex Shemer. And let somebody tell me where we stopped last week. Please, in my own record, I went beyond Gwakorita, but my friend said Gwakorita was the last thing he was able to get because of network issues. Where did you stop last week? Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Where did you stop? What was the last word you recorded last week? Okay, Alex Hamer is from USA. No, Alex, Dalo. No, you are highly welcome to Igbo class. Why do you want to learn Igbo, Alex? Let me know. Married to Igbo, Igbo friend, Igbo business partner, lover of Igbo, fiancé, Igbo parents. What is your own case? Alex Hamer. Let's know why you are interested. Is Hamer, not Hamer? I'm sorry. It's Hamer, Alex. Why do you want to learn Mr. Alex? All right. I'm waiting for more people to tell me where we stopped last week. Please, just curious, okay? Just curious. That's fine. I like curiosity. You are highly welcome. I'm sure you're going to find Igbo language very interesting, Mr. Alex. So let's do this together. You will find it interesting. I'm sure you will love it, okay? So, Itufu and the Iga. Somebody said Itufu and Iga. Okay, we stop at Itufu. Okay, that's what I also have in my record. We have Itufu and Itutuko as the last words we dealt with last week. Bembe say, si Gwakorita ka anyị bido biko tupu network emebie ọzọ. Okay. Let me go back to Gwakorita. Alex said Ben said we should repeat Gwakorita or move on from there. But that is too far from where we stopped. I'm going to continue from Guputa, or let me say Hapo. Let's go on with that. Gwakorita is too far back. Okay. So we're going to start from Hapo or continue from Hapo today. Hapu with dot under the U. So we're starting from there to review and continue. Hapo, leave. That is the word. And we make sentences. We can as well make another sentence here. Can you drop one sentence with hapo, which is leave? Okay. Let's move on with that. Hapo. Make a sentence with hapo in Igbo. Okay. Let me make a sentence while you write it down. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Just for the purpose of continuation. Just write that in Igbo language. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Write it in Igbo language. Write that in Igbo language. Hapumaka kita. Okay. You've added something to it. That's fine. Hapumaka kita. Clement. Yeah. Other people should write. Hapumaka. Okay. Hapumaka. Okay. Nico Robin. You are also coming in for the first time. Nico, please confirm if I'm correct. Nico Robin. You are coming in for the first time. No. Let me know. Let me confirm that I'm right. And let's know which part of the world you are joining us from. I'm talking to Nico Robin. Your answer is interesting and very wonderful. Okay. Nico Robin, which part of the world are you joining us from? Today is your first day in our class. Nico Robin. Which part of the world are you joining from? Talking to Nico Robin. Okay. Okay. I am in America. That's great. We have so many American students. You people are wonderful people. Okay, so many people have written Hapom Aka. Let's review the answers. Let me see who wrote first. And let me know whether the person got it right or wrong. Who wrote first? Hapom Aka. I think it was Clement Emehe that wrote first. He wrote Hapom Aka Kita. He even added Kita. That means leave me alone now. Okay, but his kita is not perfect. The kita should have dot under I. Then Ben wrote Hapomaka, correct. Nico wrote Hapomaka. I guess Nico doesn't have the Igbo alphabet, Igbo keyboard. Otherwise, you should have dot under. That's the perfect word. Hapomaka, Chikezie, Hapomaka, Biko, Noduro Wegi. Okay, you added extra to it. as the class captain. I hope you are going to retain your position today. Hapomaka, leave me alone. Biko Nodorogi, please stay on your own. That's what they added. Alex Ame, Hapomaka, great. Nico, okay. Nico, what did you write? I'm in America. Okay. Soba, Shivon, Hapomaka, that's correct. Okay. I hope others will write. So I'm going to the next one. Hope is the next word. Hope. You write the word, you tell us the meaning. Hope. You write the word, you tell us the meaning. Hope. Write the word now. Okay, that is the next word we're dealing with. Hope. Okay, Chikezie Madonna has written hope. Please. After that, we determine the meaning of the word. When we determine the meaning of the word, we now make a sentence with the word. So many people have written, Chikezie has written, Nico has written, Ibo has written, Clement Emehe has written. Okay, many people have tried to do that. So, okay, the meaning of the word now, uproot. Okay, Chikezie has written, drop your own word meaning. What is the meaning of the word hope? Write in your own understanding. Don't look at what others has written. Don't look at what others say your own. What do you understand by the word hope? Ibo wrote pluck out, correct? Chikezie wrote uproot, correct? What else do you have to say? Yes, write your meaning of hope. Write your own meaning of the word hope. Waiting for you to do that. Yeah, write your own meaning of the word hope. Hope. Are you writing that now? I've just seen two people's response. Okay, Shivon. Okay, Shivon, hope. But we are looking for the meaning of the word now, Shivon. Okay, Bembe, pull out. Clement Emehe, choose out. No, Clement, I disagree with you. It's not select. It's not hop. It's hope. No dot under. So it's not choose out at all. I refuse to agree with Clement Emehe. Okay, it is either pluck out, uproot, or pull out, as written by Ibo, Chikezie, and Bembe. Those are right meaning of hope. Okay, now let's go on with the next challenge, which is write the meaning. Okay, we'll do a sentence with that word, uproot, root out. I'm going to do a sentence in English while you try to write it in Igbo language. I go. Root out the weed. Root out the weed. Root out the weed. Mana hopo tara means choose. That is the point, Ben. I didn't say hopo. I say hope. No dot under the U. Okay? So if you use dot under the U, it becomes hopo. That is where you now have the extension of hopota, choose out. Okay? That is the error you made, Chikezie. Ben rather. It is when you have dot under the E, it becomes hop, choose, hopota, choose. But in this case, we're talking about hope, root out. Okay? So people are writing the sentence now, root out that weed, or root out the weed. Okay, somebody, Chikezie has written, I'm waiting for others to write. Do your own write-up. Clement, hope, now here. Okay, that's a good effort. I'm waiting for others to write. I'm waiting for others to write. Root out that weed or the weed. Write that in Igbo language. That's the challenge you are dealing with now. Okay, hope ahịhịa ahụ. Great. Igbo, hope ahịhịa. You try, but ahịhịa ahụ. That's what I said. Okay, Nico, hope na ahịhịa. You try. Good effort. This for a first-time comer. That's a great effort. But Nico, you need to get the Igbo alphabet, the Igbo keyboard. Nico, Robin. And it's easy to do. You go to your phone language setting and choose your keyboard and select Kwati Igbo. Kwati Igbo. You are going to get that installed in your phone or computer. So you'll be toggling between Igbo and English, your keyboard. When you want to type in Igbo, you press down the alphabet. It will display options of 0 with dot under, or 0 with dot on top, or I with dot under, you will have that displayed. Then you choose the one you want to use at that particular time. So in that case, you'll be able to have ahihia with dot under the eyes. That's what makes it ahihia. Okay, blaring na kakaj. You're welcome to our class. This is Igbo class. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. I hope you are interested in learning Igbo language. Talking to Blerina. I don't know where you're joining from, any part of the world. Are you here to learn Igbo language? This is the first time I'm seeing you in a class. Please indicate that you want to learn Igbo language. Okay? Otherwise, I guess you'll be in the wrong place. Now, Siobhan, hope we are here. But I said that weed. If I just say root out weed, it becomes hope we are here. But if I say root out that weed, I'm expecting something to be added to it. Okay? Not just hope we are here. Please give our video a thumbs up and hit the share button so that this video can go out to other people to join up. Please, that is important to us. Hit the like button under so that YouTube can display this to more people. Hit the share button to share with those around you and your community so that you can join us. I talked to Blerina, whether she's interested or he, I don't know whether it's he or she, in learning Igbo language, because this is the first time I'm seeing him or her in our class. So I want to know he or she is in the right place. This is where we talk Igbo language. So what is the answer to our question? Let me see the responses I got. Clement, Chikezie, Hope Ahia, perfect. Clement, Hope Nahia, no, that is not it. Bembe, Hope Ahia, perfect. Ibo, Hope Ahia, we did not add that weed, which is ahihia or the weed. So something is missing. Nico Robin, Hope Ahihia, no, it's Hope Ahihia. Siobhan, Hope Ahihia, incomplete. You missed out something, but that's a good try. Okay, you're still waiting for Lerina Kakash to respond to my question. Are you here to learn Igbo language? You are interested in learning Igbo language? You have Igbo friends, Igbo business partners, fiancé, you are Igbo lover. That's why you are here. Please let's know and be sure you're in the right place. Many of us have not hit the like button under this video. Do that, please. That's the least you can do for us now. And then hit the share button to let this video go out to other people to join us in this class. That's the least you can do for us. Now, okay, this is Toyin Gidado Chinyelu Nnamani. All right, I don't know what you mean by that. Toyin Gidado, this is the first time I'm seeing you in our class. Do you want to learn Igbo language? Toyin, Mrs. or Miss Toyin or Madam Toyin Gidado. I hope you want to learn Igbo language. That's why you are here. You are welcome. No, these are new students we are having today in our class. Now we go to the next word. For those who are joining us newly, please, what we're doing is Igbo language drill. What we do here is that we pronounce Igbo word, and then we expect you to write it in the chat session correctly, get the correct spelling by the sound I pronounce. And then after we do that, if anyone knows any Igbo teacher for an adult in London, please let me know. What we do is online teaching. That's what I offer. Online teaching, not live, not directly physical teaching. That's what I do for now. So, but if anyone knows anyone teaching Igbo physically in person in London, you can help our friend Ganswood. That is his name, Ganswood. But I do online teaching for now, right? So we are going. So we give out the Igbo word. We expect you to write the word correctly. That is the first stage. Second stage is we want you to write the meaning of that word. That's the second challenge. Then finally, we make a simple sentence with that word. That is what we do here in our Igbo language drill. So we move on. We are going to the next word, which is ite-egu. Ite-egu. What is that? Write it now. Ite-egu. Many of us have not hit the like button for this live session, and that is not fair enough. That is not fair enough. Do that for me as your teacher. Obey your teacher now. What is the matter? Hit the like button, share this live session, hit the share button. That's the least you can do. It doesn't cost you anything to do. It doesn't cost you money. Just your thumb. That's all. Okay, Toyin. Okay, Toyin. The rule is that when I pronounce the word, you first of all write the word in Igbo language before you do any other thing. When you write the word, I'm talking to Toyin now. When you write the word, then we go to the meaning of the word. From there, we make a simple sentence with that. Chike says, "Sir, we did all this last week." Oh. That is the point. I wanted to jump in. Some people say we should start from there, that the network gave them some problem, they didn't cover it. So I'm going to rush through it. Igbe itegu, to dance. Okay, that's correct. Itegu, to dance. Okay, and we consider the word. On my phone, it was not underneath, but via the three doors at the top right of the screen. Okay, it was not underneath. Okay, so the like button is under. According to Sivon, the like button is on top. That's where you hit the like button, not under. Please, if you are using phone, hit the like button on top of the screen where you are watching. That's important. That's what Sivon has told us. So Itegu means what? To dance. Somebody has said that, to dance. I agree with that. Okay, okay. Okay, that's fine. It means to dance. That's great. That's true. Now, we make a simple sentence with to dance. Okay? I want to dance. I think that's simple enough. I want to dance. Write that in Igbo language. I want to dance. Is that not simple enough? I want to dance. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, just drop that. Just drop that. Just drop that now. I'm waiting for you. Okay, just drop that. I want to dance. Achọrọ m ite egwu. Fine. Somebody has written. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Igbo Igbo. Achọrọ m ite egwu. Great. Ben. Achọrọ m ite egwu. Great. I'm waiting for others. Waiting for others. Where is my Yoruba sister? Where is my Yoruba sister? Okay, where is she? Clement Emehe. Bembe. Achọrọ m ite egwu. Good. Clement. Achọrọ m ite egwu. Great. I'm waiting for this other, my new students today, and my Yoruba sister. She has not told me why she wants to learn Igbo language. Married to Igbo friend, uh, Igbo parents, curiosity, whatever. Let's know where you are learning Igbo language and where you are learning from. Talking to Toyin now. Okay? Toyin, I asked you a question. Why are you learning Igbo language? Just Igbo lover, Igbo wife, business partner, whatever, and which part of the world are you learning from? From Nigeria, US, anywhere. I'm talking to Toyin Gidado now. Okay? Toyin, I've seen your response. Ncholutegu. Okay, that's a good effort, Toyin. Shivon, Achorom, Iba, Egu. Great effort. Great effort. Great effort. Yeah, any other person trying? If not, let's consider, let's review the answers. Let's begin. Chikeze wrote, Achorom Itegu, perfect. Igbo Igbo, Achorom Itegu, perfect. Ben, Achorom Itegu, perfect. Clement, Achorom Itegu, perfect. Toyin Gidado, Ncholu Tegu, not very perfect, but good effort. Look at what others have written. You will learn from that. That is the beauty thing about this live session. You don't only see what you write, you see what others are doing. And when the correction is made, you pick the correction, you add to what you knew before, and you expand your vocabulary, and then perfect your Igbo. And then it sticks to your head because you are watching it live, you're participating live, your brain is active, you are following up, so you learn faster. Achọrọ m egwu, Sibon, that's also correct. Ite egwu or Igba egwu, both are correct, whichever one you choose to use. So Siobhan, your answer to is correct. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. That's fine. Okay, we go to the next word. The next word is itufu. Itufu. Now, please help me type the word. Itufu. What is the word? Itufu. Type it. Type it. Itufu. Type it in the chat session. Itufu. What is the word? Toyin. I am an Igbo girl, but was born in Lagos around the Civil War and changed my name to Yoruba name for safety reasons. Oh, that's great. That's touching. That's touching. Oh, Toyin, you are welcome back home. There, okay. So you are learning from Lagos. That's the meaning of that. You are learning from Lagos. That's great. And we appreciate you reconnecting with us. and then, tracing your roots. And we love you. And we will not see war again in Nigeria. God will keep us in peace and in love as one people. Okay? And if it pleases Him to let us go our separate ways, who are we to say no? We all settle for wherever we are. Okay? Now we're having the words dropping in. Okay? Itufu, itufu, itufu. Toyin, iche. Toyin, I didn't say ichefu. I said itufu. Itufu, not ichefu. There are two different words. Talking to Toyin now. There are two different words. Ichefu and itufu. They are not the same thing. We are dealing with itufu. Itufu, not ichefu. Okay, talking to Toyin, madam. Okay, Shivon, Itu. You have made great effort. Waiting. Some of my new students are not participating. It seems they are just listening, but it's always better you participate. Even though your answers are not right, like Toyin is doing, it doesn't mean we'll always brush you up and then correct you where you are wrong. So just participate. Let's do it together. Okay? So those who wrote Itufu, okay, Itufu, they are all correct. And then we deal with the next thing now, which is the meaning of the word Itufu. What does it mean? Yeah, drop the meaning of the word Itufu. What does it mean? Drop it now. Itufu means what? Itufu means what? Itufu means what? Drop the meaning. Itufu. Okay? To throw away. To throw away. That's what Ben wrote. That's what Chikeze wrote. We're waiting for others to give us their answers. Igbo, to throw away. Okay? What about the rest? What about the rest? We are waiting for others. Okay? 3 people have responded. Waiting for others to drop their answers. Toyin, throw away. Okay, good effort. Throw away. Good effort. Yeah. What about the rest? Where are they? What about the rest? I hope you have hit the share button for this live session to share it to others. That will be very important to us. Throw away. Okay, Shivon, throw away. Good one. Good effort. I love that. Okay, let's look at the difference between to throw away and throw away. These are the two responses we've got so far, and we need to clarify the difference between the two. Tufu is throw away, but itufu is to throw away. They are the same verb, but in different forms. Throw away, an instruction, tufu, okay, or tufuo, whichever you prefer. But itufu is to throw away. So that is the difference between the two. Throw away is tufu. To throw away is itufu. So that is the difference between the two for those who gave different responses and answers. So please take note of that. Of course, in subsequent videos, as we move on, we'll be dealing with different forms of verb and how to use them. Okay, so let's look at a sentence to convey this idea. Okay, Ogara, itufu. What did he want to throw away? Ogara itufu. Akwa. Maybe. This is too long. This is too long. Okay, let me just take something different. Ochoro itufu ya. It has to be simple enough. Ochoro itufu ya. I've given you in Igbo language. Give me in English. Don't repeat it in Igbo. Ochoro itufu ya. Let me know whether you understand. Okay, somebody has written what I've said already. But please listen. I said ochoro itufu ya. Okay, you're all writing in Igbo. Okay, let me read what you are writing. It means you are responding to the first sentence. Maybe. Okay, Chikezie. That's fine. That's fine. Ben. Maybe. That's good effort. Igbo. You want to throw it away. What did they want to throw away? You didn't mention the thing. Igbo. What did they want to throw away? Okay. Toyin ọ chọrọ ịtụfu ya. Okay, good effort. He or she went to throw away the spoiled egg. That's perfect explanation for that. Okay, Toyin ọ chọrọ. Okay, Toyin, when we are using ọ as a pronoun, we let it stand alone. Talking to Toyin now, we let the o stand alone. And I guess Toyin, you don't have the Igbo keyboard. Please try to install it in your phone next time. You just go to your phone setting and go to language, go to keyboard, and then choose Kwati Igbo and install it in your phone. So you have option of using Igbo alphabet when you are typing. You can do that for your computer also. Okay, so that is how to get our keyboard. So you are O standing for a pronoun, which is the person. We have to stand alone when you are writing Ochoro, Itufu, yeah. Then Itufu is together, okay? But that's a good try. Toyin, good effort, good effort. Ochoro Itufu, yeah. You want to throw it away. All of you are virtually correct, okay? Except for Toyin that we corrected. Now we continue with the new one today. We're moving on. Iga is the word. Iga. Iga. What is the spelling of the word? Iga. Listen to me. Iga. Now write the word. Iga. Let me drop the word. Iga. Drop the word. Yes. Iga. Okay. Ben has done that. Clement has done that. I'm looking at your words. Yes. Who else is dropping? Esther Okafor. Whoa. Esther, you're in class today. Wow. You join us today in our class, Esther Okafor. You do well. No, welcome to class. That's my wife, actually. Okay, Chikezie McDonald. Iga. Okay. Ibo, Iga. Okay, Toyin Gidado. Gay. Oh, yeah. Toyin, I'm speaking Igbo now. I'm giving you the word in Igbo. Okay, I think you're correcting yourself now. Iga. Okay, Iga. Right. Toyin, okay, I have a new student, Max Murano. Max Murano, no, you're welcome. There's a new student today. Please, Mark, let me know which part of the world you are joining us from. Which part of the world are you? I'm talking to Max Murano now. Okay, Iga. Now, let's do the correction. This Iga, the word is together, to go. Anytime we are talking about to do something, to go, to buy, to do whatever, and the word is together. It's together. You don't put the I separate and write the other ones. They are always together. Iga, Izo, Ime, whatever. The I has to be together. Don't separate it. Talking to Toyin and some other people that separated their word. Okay? Okay. Max Morano, you've not told us which part of the world you are joining us from. It's important to us. Let's know. And hit the like button on top of the screen to, let YouTube show this video to more people. Also hit the share button. That's important to us. Max Morano, let's know where you are joining from, which part of the world are you joining our class from. Today is your first day in class. We always welcome people and we identify them with their country or part of the world they are learning from. Important to us. Now, I've just arrived at this word. Mark, you must be very funny. You just arrived at this word from where? From the moon or from the Mars. You have to be serious. So tell us where you arrived from. Okay, that's fine. Now we are talking about Iga. Iga is I-G-A, but the I must have dot under. That is the right word. Iga. So we've dealt with the word. So those of you who did something different from that, correct yourself against next time. Right? Okay, misunderstood. I am in Houston, Texas. Okay, that's Max. Thank you, Max. I have so many USA people in my class. They are the one leading in my live classes. So I appreciate US guys. You are doing well. Okay, Iga. Okay, that is the word. So those of you who wrote Iga without dot under the I, that is not perfect. I guess you don't have Igbo keyboard. Try to install that in your phone. That will be very important on your computer. So what is the meaning of the word Iga? That's the next stage of our challenge. What is the meaning of the word Iga? What is the meaning of the word? Iga, yeah? What is the meaning? Drop the meaning now, waiting for you. What is the meaning? To go, Chikezie, that is a class captain. To go, eager, yes. Who else? Challenging, Clement, to go. Yeah, waiting for others to tell us what it is. Ben, to go. Morbo. Handcuff. No. Handcuff is not eager. It has a different sound. Talking to Ben. If it is handcuff, it becomes eager. The sound is different. Eager. That is handcuff. Or chain. Okay, it can be leg chain or hand chain, just for, holding somebody who is insane or who has committed a crime. That is eager. The sound is different, but this one is eager, high. But the other one is eager, high, low in the tone. I'm talking to my friend now. Okay, Max, to go. Ibo, to go. Esther, you are going. No, Choriga. Okay. No. It's not you are going. It's to go. Esther Okafor. It's not you are going. Okay. So you are going is you inaga, naga. Anytime you see na following before a verb as a prefix, that is talking about present continuous, doing something. Naga is going, naga. But in this case, is eager. Okay. Now, Rian, you are here with us today. I don't know whether you want to learn Igbo language. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. So I don't know why you are here. If you want to learn Igbo language, Mr. Ryan, let's know you are interested in learning Igbo language. Ryan, you're welcome. Do you want to learn Igbo language? Let's hear that. Okay. Now we dealt with the word and the meaning of the word. Let's take a sentence to deal with it. Okay. Achoromiga Lagos. Achoromiga Lagos. You can also put your country where you want to go. Choose any country you want to go or any nation. Achoromiga US. Achoromiga Houston. Achoromiga Texas. Achoromiga I don't know where you are. Just say something, but let the major part of the word be there. But choose where you want to go. Me, I say I want to go to Lagos. Okay, I want to go to Lagos. Okay, somebody say Achoromiga Enugu. That's great. That's Igbo. Okay, where do you want to go? Write your own. I want to go to Lagos. Okay, Achoromiga Lagos. Ngwanu. Okay, where are you going? Write your own. Igbo want to go to Enugu. Clement also want to go to Enugu. Wow, I have many people that want to go to my state. I love you guys. I want to go to Lagos. Okay, that's Max Murano. Achoromiga Lagos. That's fine. Okay, which other place you want to go? Drop your own. I want to know where you are interested in going. Okay, Achoromiga Enugu. Wow, Enugu people are plenty. You are all welcome to my state. That is my state, Enugu. So where are you going? Drop your own. Achoromiga, where? Achoromiga, anywhere. Put your own. Why are so many people want to go to Enugu? Unfortunately, I'm already married. I would have said many people want to marry me. But it's unfortunate. There's no vacancy. In fact, my wife is here with us. So if you are coming to Enugu, it has to be for business or something else. Not for me. Okay. And of course, Chinonyelum Jessica, you are welcome to class. Chinonyelum Jessica, no, you're welcome to class. No. Achọrọ Iga Nsukka Asadu. Okay. My daughter want to go to Nsukka. That's great. All right. Okay, you want to go to Nsukka. That's great. All right. We've dealt with this. The next word we are going to treat now, Chinonyelum, you are welcome to class. Let's know where you are joining us from. Chinonyelum, where are you joining from? Which part of the country or world are you joining us from? Chinonyelum, I'm talking to you now. Okay, the next word we're dealing with now is igente. 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 Write it first. Don't write the meaning. Just write the word. Igente. Igente. Write the word, not the meaning. The word. Igente. Yes. Write the word. Chikeze has written waiting for others to write. Write the word igenti. Igenti. Okay, Max has written. Great. Except that Mark doesn't have the Igbo keyboard. I believe he's going to install it next time so that you can get the alphabets right. Because if they are not right, the sound will not be right. Okay? Clement has written, Igbo has written, Bembe has written, Chinoyerum, Abumbo Enugu State. Yeah? Is here in Enugu Bua. Are you in Enugu now? Are you joining us from Enugu? That is the question. I'm happy you are from my state, but where are you joining from? Chinonyerum, from Enugu or from any other part of Nigeria or outside Nigeria? Chinonyerum, that is the question. I need to hear that. Okay, Igenti, we're still going on. Igenti, okay, I don't. That's fine. Accept that. That's Max. Thank you for that is understanding and agreeing to do that. Thank you. Chikezie, Chinonyelum, Dejo. Chikezie, you are not serious. So we are greeting in our own balance. Okay, oh, okay, oh, okay, oh. Yagazie, oh, Mwan, Kaigani, okay, Deme, oh. Chikezie, okay, Clement, Odemma, Yagazie, Amibo, who recently moved to UK. That's great. So you are joining us from UK. That's what we want to hear. I hope the code there is not dealing with you badly because you recently went to UK. I hope, if you just go from Africa to UK or US, you first of all have to deal with the code. Please, I hope it's not dealing with you in a bad way. Okay? Shibon, you might be able to hold letters to get other options. Of course, that is an opinion. That's an opinion suggestion. Okay, we dealt with Igenti. Most of you got it right. Or have we written the meaning of Igenti? We have not. We've just written the word. Okay, drop the meaning of Igenti. Drop the meaning of the word Igenti. I don't have the Igbo keyboard. Okay, Chinonyerum, you will get it later. You would, after this lesson, try to go to your setting in your phone. Go to language and go to keyboard and then look for Kwati Igbo. Install it to your phone. When you do that, anytime you want to type Igbo alphabet, hold the key down. It will give you other options of O with dot under, I with dot under, or whatever you want. You now pick it and use it. Okay? So Igbo, to listen or list to listen. Chikezie, Igbo wrote listen. Bemben wrote to listen. Shivon wrote that was for Max Murano. What is for Max Murano? Okay, that is the advice you are giving concerning keyboard. Okay, I understand. Okay, Clement wrote listen with ear. Okay. Shivon wrote to listen. That's great. I'm waiting for others. Where is Esther Okafor and the rest of them? Give me your answer. Don't just disappear. Leo Festini. Okay, Italia. Leo Festini, are you joining us from Italia? Let's be sure you are joining us from Italia. Is that where you are? Talking to Leo. Is that where you're joining from? Italia. Is that right? Okay. Thanks, Shibon. Not. Okay. Okay. Leo is joining from Italy, Italia. That's great. We're having so many countries here today. Okay. So, Estocapo to listen. That's fine. I want to see your response. It is Dilino? Which one is Dilin? Chinonyelu, which one is dealing? I'm from Italia. Okay, that's great. You're welcome, Leo, from Italia. You're welcome. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, I need to let you know that we have produced so many Igbo language ebooks that are meant to, hasten your Igbo learning journey. For those of you who are interested in learning Igbo language and speaking it for a short while without delay, we've made ebooks that will quicken your speed of learning Igbo language. The ebook comes with audio embedded in it. That's my voice that's going to be reading the book and explaining the book for you. So you don't need to worry about how to read the Igbo book. The teacher is there to read for you. All you need to do is you just buy the book, download it, and then you download the audio. So you listen to the audio while you go through your book. It's as simple as that. So I'll be reading for you, pronouncing the words perfectly for you. And those audio, the audio you download and the ebook, you are keeping them for lifetime access. So it's as easy as that. So with that, you have a notebook to fall back on. You have hello. Yeah, don't mind us. So this Nigeria network, sometimes it goes out and it comes back again. So bear with us. This is Nigeria for you. Our network is not stable and steady. So I believe I'm back online, and I believe you can hear me now. So for those of you who are new students, we encourage you to buy the ebooks. It will make your learning journey very simple and fast. How do you get the ebooks? Very simple. After this live session, this video will be uploaded. You will go to our homepage. First of all, you have to subscribe to our channel. So you go to our homepage, click on live. Click on live. You will see all our live videos. You just click on any of the videos and open the description box of the video. You will see a link to our ebook store. Click the link to take you to our ebook store. Go through it. We have about 9 books there. Choose whichever one you want. Click on it, fill the form, download it, and it's yours. And the price is so cheap. It ranges between $1 to $3. Very cheap. Audio and book together for the price of one. It ranges between $1 to $3. Anybody can buy it for kids. The value is far above what we are pricing it. So get it today, and you'll be glad you did. So let's move on now. So those are new students. I expect you to buy the book after this live session. Okay, we'll move on. And we've not given the sentence for igenti. Okay, we've not given the sentence for igenti. The sentence we're going to use now is ọ chọrọ ige ntị. Ọ chọrọ ige ntị. Ọ chọrọ ige ntị. Okay, Leo first in okay, somebody is speaking Italian to Leo. I hope you are not going to turn this class to Italian class. Oh, Freda, you are here. No, Freda, great. I thought we were going to miss you today, but now you are here in class. Freda, Jumbo, highly welcome. You did greatly last time. You fulfilled your promise to buy all our books. Although network did not allow you to enjoy all your money last week, but you fulfilled your promise. Let's give Freda Jumbo a thumbs up, please. She bought all the ebooks in our store as she promised last week. So please help me give Freda Jumbo thumbs up. Help me to thank her for her support for this project, for fulfilling her promise. Last time, she bought all the books in our store according to her promise. Please help me give her a clapping emoji, a thumbs up, give her thanks, say hello to Jumbo, Freda. Help me thank Freda. She's a very faithful person. So thank you, Freda. I hope those who are joining the class today are going to buy the ebooks. Freda, have you gone through any of our books? Have you gone through any of them? If you have done that, please indicate whether the books are worth buying or not. Let me hear you say something about the books. Talking to Freda now. If you have gone through the books, any of them at all, please let everybody know whether the book is worth buying or not, whether you've gained something from the book. I'm talking to Freda now. Jumbo, indicate. Have you opened the book? Have you gone through it? Did you gain anything from it? Is it worth the money or not? Freda said, yes, I have. Yes, that's part of the answer. When you have gone through the book, what did you get from the book? They are very helpful. That is what Freda has said. Okay, so for those of you who have not bought the book, avail yourself of that opportunity after this class. Buy our ebooks. They are so rich, and the value, the price is very small compared to the value. So buy the books today if you have not. Thank you very much. Now we move on. The next word is Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay. Inayegenti. Okay. Oh, we have said, okay, Inayegenti. Okay, some people we have not written that sentence. Inayegenti. Is that the word I say we should write? Inayegenti. Okay. Jupiter. Okay, that is the next word. Let's move that. Inayegenti. You are not listening. Okay, I'm talking to Chinonyelu. It's not Inaye. It's Inaye. The word is GH. The alphabet is GH. No, GY, not GH. GY. Inaye. That word is GY, not only Y. Okay? And the E you put at the back of Nai is not E, it's I with dot under. Inai ege nti. That is the right word to the right sentence. Okay? Okay? Tidrili. Okay, Tidrili, you are welcome back to class. For long, we've not seen you in class. Tidrili. So we are happy to see you again in class today. So the next word we are dealing with now is Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay, what is the word? Type it now. Okay, Igbo has written something. Jupiter, that is the word I pronounce. Not Jupiter, but Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay, not Jupiter, but Jupiter. Get the word correctly. Get the sound. Jupiter. Hear me well. I didn't say Jupiter. I said Jupiter. Let me know who will get it. Some people have tried, but they've not got it. Chikeze have tried. Igbo have tried, but I'm still waiting for the right word. Jupiter. Bembe have tried, but I've not gotten the right word. Jupiter. Yeah. Tidrili. Did you hear the word? Give me your answer. Okay, you have done that. Okay, you have just written. Okay. Freda has written something. Jupiter. Shibo. Jupiter. All of you are writing the same thing. But you didn't hear me well. Though you tried, but I said Jupiter. And I expected that you get that correct. I emphasize it again and again that is Jupiter, not Jupiter. So there is no dot under the U, both of them. You put dot in the second U, but there's no dot in any of them. It's not Jupiter, it's Jupiter. Jupiter, that is the word, not Jupiter. Okay? So let's write the meaning of this word. Jupiter. Jupiter. Yes, what is the meaning of the word? What is the meaning of that word? Jupiter. Okay? Waiting for you to write the meaning of the word. Who will get it first? Jupiter. Yeah, waiting for you. Feel, Ben. Feel. Okay, we wait for others. What are they writing? I wait for others. Feeling, tidrili, feeling. Okay. Chikezie, field. Okay. Okay, Shivon, Jupiter to feel. Okay, it's great. Good effort. Who else is trying? Max, feel. Okay, great effort. Waiting for others. Where is Igbo? Fill up. Great. Where is Esther Kafo? Where is your answer? Bembe, Dika, Eba, Jupiter, Madota. Okay, that's great effort. Okay, Chino Nyelum, fill or filled up. Overflow. Great. Great. I love that. So many options. Okay. Esther Kafo, where is you? Where are you? Where are you? Where is your answer? Chino Nyelum, plenty. Okay, that's another option. That is another option. Freda, fill up. Great. Your options are great. Yeah. If you have not hit the like button on top of this live session, on top of the video, do that now. Hit the share button to share this out to your friends and your community so that we can have more students coming on board. Okay. Let's look at the responses you gave. Anybody that wrote field is correct. Okay. Feel also is okay. Okay. Fill up is correct. Okay. So fill up or filled up, they are all correct. Even plenty is also okay, depending on what you are referring to. If you say Jupiter na mmadụ, you are talking about filled with plenty people. But of course, the fill has to be there. Okay, plenty is also many, filled with many people. Okay, so we accept that. Now, let's take a sentence. Let's take a sentence. Somebody said something about Eba, but I'm going to use English. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. My God, I'm supposed to say it in English, not Igbo. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. I'm just saying, somebody is still writing it. Okay? I say you should write in English, Clement, Chikezie, but you still wrote in Igbo. No problem. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. This, our class today, is filled with people. Igbo, thumbs up. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's what I wanted to see. Klaasị anyị taa jupụtara na mmadụ. Some are writing in Igbo. I say write it in English. Okay? Those who wrote in Igbo, you tried. But I expected it to be written in English. Okay? Jupụtara na mmadụ. Okay? Igbo is the only one that got the answer to my question. Nne ma anyị taa jupụtara. Nne ma anyị taa jupụtara mmadụ ndị Igbo. Class is filled with people. Okay? Max, you tried. But I say class anyị taa. I emphasize that taa. So that taa means something. Max. Okay, that's what I want to get. This class today is filled with people. Okay, Clement, you tried. That is what Max is missing. That is today. That is TA. Today. Class TA. Our class today, that is TA, is filled with people. That's great. Our today's class lesson is filled with people. Okay, that's great. That is the word, Max. Class today is filled with people. That's it. That is it. So I want you to get that word, ta, the meaning of that word, ta, today. Okay? I'm sure some of us have not hit the like button for this, our live session. That is not fair enough. Okay? We go to the next word. The next word is keta oke. Keta oke. Keta oke is a compound word. Okay? Keta oke is a compound word. What is the word? Type it first. Keta oke. Keta oke. Somebody's message is held for review. Who is that? Esther Kafo. Okay. Your message is what is being held down. Okay. That's Esther's message. Okay. Chuputa. Okay. We've even passed that one. Okay. We're dealing with Keta oke ubua. Keta oke. Okay. Okay. Keta oke. Chikeze has written, Ben has written, Max has written. That's great. Clement is reviewing his own to Keta oke. That's better. Yeah, who else is writing? Where is Igbo? Where is Chinyelu? Yeah, I'm back. I do hope you are hearing me. This network now, wash, yeah. Okay, we're moving on. We're talking about Keta oke. Keta oke. Okay. Did really use Keta oke. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We've tried. All of us have tried. except for those who are okay. Feel Esther's response is coming late. Esther Okafor, response is coming very late. I don't know what's going on with your network. We are past where you are now. The word we are dealing with now is keta okay. Keta okay. Even though your response here is correct, fail. Jupiter, that's what we did before. I kwesịrị ikwu oke n'asụsụ Igbo as well. Biko. Ben, you just deleted what you wrote. Okay. Keta okay. Okay. I'm trying to get what Ben wanted to write. Keta okay. Ben, you wrote something, but you deleted it. I was about to respond to what you wrote, but you deleted it. Keta, okay. Freda, okay. That's great effort for everybody. Keto, okay. But it's a compound word. So, Igbo, keta, okay. That's better. That's great. Okay. Tidrili. Elekere, ta, oge. I don't get it. Elekere, ta, oge. I didn't get what you are. Okay, they are also correct. Those who wrote keta okay are also correct, but you don't join the two things together. It means to take plentiful share. Okay, you don't join the two things together. Chinonyerum, you have to follow Uokwu n'asụsụ Igbo as well as English. Okay, okay, that's fine. That's what Ben was trying to say. Ọ sị m kwuo okwu n'asụsụ Igbo. Okay, ka m ghara ịsụ Bekee karịa ka m sụọ Igbo, then sụọ Bekee. I agree with that, Ben. Okay, hi Nekobo. Asemo, I think he meant you should be explaining in Igbo too, not English. Okay, I get it now. Okay, him Nekobo, okwu anyị na-atụle ugbu a bụ keta oke. Asị ka anyị dee ya, depụta ya. So ana m akọwa na okwu a bụ keta oke. Ị nwere ike dee ya dịka kete oke. Ọ dịkwa mma otu ahụ. Ma ọ bụ keta oke, ha abụọ dị mma. Then itinye hyphen n'etiti ha abụọ. Maka na okwu a bụ mkpụrụ okwu abụọ ejikọtara otu ya bụrụ ofu ya bụ compound word. There are two words joined together as one. Okay, so you have to separate it but join it with the hyphen as a compound word. That's fine. Now those who wrote kete okay, instead of using a at the back of keta is also correct. Kete okay. If you use keta, if you use kete, both are right. Ha abụọ dị mma otu ahụ. Ya mere, okay, ka ihe ọzọ anyị ga-eme ugbu a bụ ikwu ihe okwu a pụtara. Okwu a bụ keta oke. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the meaning of keta oke in Igbo language? Write it now. Gwa dee ya ọsịsọ. Dee ya. Okwu a bụ keta oke. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the meaning of the word keta oke in Igbo language? Write it now. Okay, somebody wrote something. Igbo wrote partake. Chikeze wrote to have a share or portion. Yeah, what are other people writing? Gịnị ka ị na-ede? Olee ihe ndị ọzọ na-ede? Ana m eche ndị ọzọ. I'm waiting for other people. Gịnị ka okwu a pụtara? Okwu a bụ keta oke. A portion, benben, a portion, marks so to inherit. Okay, Tidri said kettle rat. I don't understand what Tidri is writing. I didn't say okay. This is not okay. This is okay. Okay is rat, but okay is not rat. Really, okay is share. A portion of something. Jumbo, inherit a lot. Okay. Okay. Okay is not okay, is okay. Okay is a lot. Okay, audio, okay is beyond the level limit. Okay, so it's not inherit a lot. It's just a share. Partake. Take a share. Take an inheritance. Get a portion. That is an instruction. Okay. Okay. Take an inheritance. Take a share of it. Get an inheritance. Get a portion. That is keta okay. Okay. Oya kopotara. ya bụ keta oke bụ enwere ihe a na-eke. So gị bịa ebe a na-eke ya, iketa oke nke gị, you take your own portion. Ya bụ keta oke bụ were nke gị, were oke nke gị. O nwere ike ịbụrụ oke nna gị, akụ nna gị, maọbụ oke ihe ndị ọzọ dị iche iche. So iketa nke gị, ya bụ keta oke. So you are taking your portion out of your father's inheritance, out of a property, out of whatever it is that is being shared. You are taking your own. So somebody is telling you keta oke. So if I say keta oke gi, I'm saying take your own portion. Okay? So that is that. We move to the next one, and the next thing is kekota. Kekota. That is the word. Drop it now. Kekota. TikTok. TikTok. Who is dropping first? Kekota. Yes. Who is dropping first? Kekota. 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 We have less than 30 minutes to round up the class. Kekota. Yes. Who is dropping that? Kekota. Ben has done that. I'm waiting for it. Okay, Chikeze has even done that already before Ben. That's great. Yes, what are other people writing? Some of us have not hit the like button on top of this screen. Please do that. Do that. It's important to us. Okay. Max has written. Clement has written. Kekota. Okay. Chin Onyerum has written. Kekota. Great. Who are the other people writing? Who are the other people writing? Yes. Fred has written Kekota. That's great. All right. Sherry Mango, you are coming very late. You are the people that used to delay us in the class. You are just joining class now. You will get Keno. Sherry Mango, you are coming too late. Okay, nevertheless, no, you are welcome. Kekota, what is the meaning? I'm almost saying the meaning. Okay, Kekota. What does that mean? Almost all of you got the answer. The spelling, we are all perfect. Okay? Okay. You are all perfect in the spelling. So what is the meaning of the word? Kekota. Gini kopotara. Okwu abo kekota. Or gini kopotara. Gini hobu. Ngwakwuoni ya. Dee ya ugbu a. Dee ya kekota. Gini kop obu n'asụsụ Igbo. Kedu you are to write it in English. Okay? Some people have written. Chinonyerum wrote. Okay. What is okay? What is Chinonyerum tied together? That's not what I say you should write. I say you should write the meaning of that word you got in Igbo, in English. Ben, bind or connect. Okay, Chikezie, share together. Okay, Max wrote to bind. Tidri, right, link. Most of your answers, even though different, they are correct in their own sense, in their own way. Okay, okay, but the most appropriate word I mean here is to bind together. To bind together. Let me see who got that. Okay, Ben wrote bind. Bind or tie together. Chinonyerum also got it perfectly well. Tie together. Kekota. But it can also be used in other senses, like where Chikeze wrote share together. But if it is to be used for share together, we pronounce it differently a little bit. We say kekorita. Kekorita, share together. That is better used for that particular sense. I'm talking about share together. Kekorita, you share together. That's better. Then Max wrote to bind, which is also correct, but you have to bind it with something else. So you have to be, you are binding many things together, not just binding. So you have to be to bind together. Right? Tidri wrote link. Okay? In a way, it's going to be linked, but not perfectly in this sense we're dealing with here. Okay? We'll move on to next word. The next word is ucheya. Ucheya. Write the word quickly. We're moving faster now, please. Our time is ticking off. Uchieya, that is the word. Type, drop the word now. Uchieya. Uchieya, drop the word. Yeah. I'm waiting for you. Uchieya, drop the word. We're just managing our network today. It's not friendly at all, but we're going to manage to the end. The word is Uchieya. Drop the word. Okay, Chikeze has written. Ben has written. Tidrili has written. Okay. Sherry Mango has written. Waiting for others to write their own words. Uchieya. That is the word. Uchieya. Yes. Uchieya. Clement has written. Where are the rest? Where is Igbo Igbo? Seems your network is not friendly today. Your answers are not coming quick as usual. Okay. This Aduminje is not here today. I guess she's busy with work. Okay. Where Uchieya, great. Freda, great. Uchieya. Waiting for Chi Nonyelum. Where is an Oka for Esther? I'm not getting your response again. Max, yeah. Uchieya. Great. Where are the rest? Chi Nonyelum, where are you? Uchieya, I'm waiting for your answer. Chi Nonyelum. Oh yeah, give me your answer. I wonder why. I'm waiting for your response. Drop your answer. Chi Nonyelum. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. But let me review all the answers given. Okay. Uchieya Chikezie is correct. Bembe is correct. Tidrili is not Buchie. Tidrili, you are wrong. It's not Buche, it's Uchieya. So look at what other people has written. Sherry Mango is not Buchieya, it's Pi. Keti, Pi. Buchie. That's Sherry Mango. Okay. Clement, correct. Chivon, correct. Freda, correct. Max, correct. Chinonyelum, you are here now. Your response is correct. Igbo, okay, Kota, Igbo, your network seems to be having problem today. We're past what you are dropping now. We're past this level already. So it seems to be network issue. Okay. Akudo Lovelin Zimako. Okay. Are you here for Igbo language? This is Igbo Tutor Live. You want to learn Igbo language? Akudo. This is the first time we're seeing you in class, and some other person that is not written in English. Are you here to learn Igbo language? Okay, Chukwuemeka Duruji. Okay, you are here in our class today. Chugoziegi, you're welcome. No, in our class. So, Akudo, Chukwuemeka, I guess today is your first day in our class, in our live class. If I'm right, please say yes and tell us where you are joining us from. Which part of the world are you joining from? Okay, we have dealt with the word Uchieya, Chukwuemeka, Duruje. Your response is correct. Uchieya. Fine. So Akudo, it appears you didn't hear what you say you should do. Okay, Chukwuemeka, where are you coming from? Where are you joining us from? Which part of the world are you joining from? I'm asking you and Akudo to tell us where you are joining from. Nigeria, US, UK, Canada, wherever. Tell us where you are. I'm joining from Maryland. That should be USA, right? I'm right. Okay, what do you mean by that? I also don't know what Akudo mean by what she wrote. So, okay, Chukwuemeka, you're welcome from Maryland, USA. We appreciate you joining our class today. Great to have you. Dewo. So we've dropped the word sunshine. Hello, today is my first day. I'm joining from Virginia, USA. That is sunshine. Wow, so many people from USA today. Chukwuemeka, you're welcome. Freda, exactly. Akudo, why are you calling why do? I don't understand what Akudo is writing. And that sounds like Igbo name. I don't know why she's sounding strange. If you are here to learn Igbo language, at least you should hear us and follow what we're doing, Akudo. Don't disrespect us here. It's not fair, please. Okay, they won't know. So all of you are welcome today. Those are new students. You are highly welcome. They will. So we are moving on. We want to make a sentence with Uchie Daniel. My winner horse. Should I scratch it? Okay. Daniel, those guys are people who are some here for something else. So I don't know what Daniel is writing, but we have to ignore that and then move on with what we are doing here. Okay? So we are moving on. We are going to make a sentence with uchie ya. Uchie ya. So the sentence is uchie ya. Oh, so I need to write it say it in English so you can translate in the Igbo. So cover it well to avoid rain beating it. Okay, cover it well in the house. Let me not say something too complicated. Cover it well in the house. What did I say? Cover it well in the house. Cover it well in the house. Please ignore people who are trying to distract us from this lesson. People like Daniel and their group. They are here to disrupt and then distract our attention. So I think it's better you ignore them and then we'll move on with what we're doing. By the time nobody responds to them, they will go out on their own when nobody give them attention. Gen O, you are welcome. For a long time, you've not been in our class. Okay, Gen O, you are welcome. For a long time, we've not seen you in class. Okay, kpuchie ya ọfụma n'ụlọ. That was Gen O wrote. Ben wrote, kpuchie ya ọfụma n'ụlọ. That's great. Shimon, it's a troll, not a very good one though. So you just ignore them and let's move on. They will go by themselves. Kpuchie ya n'ụlọ. That's what Sherry Mango wrote. That's great. So who else is dropping a response? Cover it well in the house or cover it well in the house. Okay. Okay, cover it well in the house. Some people are writing, okay, kpuchie ya site n'ụlọ m. Okay, good effort. Kpuchie ya nke ọma n'ụlọ. Chukwuemeka Duruji, that's great. Kpuchie ya nke ọma n'ụlọ. Cover it well in the house. That's great. So those who wrote cover it well in the house, correct. Cover it in the house, correct. Okay, cover it in the house. Kpuchie ya n'ụlọ is correct. Kpuchie ya ihe ahụ is not really perfect. Kpuchie ya n'ụlọ is fine. Kpuchie ya nke ọma n'ụlọ is fine. So they are all fine as for that word, cover it. Okay, the next word we're dealing with is kpee ikpe. Kpee ikpe. Let me know those who understand Igbo alphabets here. It's a big challenge. Kpee ikpe. Let me know those who understand some tricky Igbo alphabets. Write the word. Kpee ikpe. Okay? Drop the word. Kpee ikpe. What is the word? Okay, Chikeze has written kpee ikpe, great. I'm waiting for others. They know. Kpee ikpe, great. Drilly, kpee ikpe, great. Max, kpee ikpe. Chukwuemeka Duruji, kpee ikpe, great. Ben, kpee ikpe. Sherry Mango, kpee ikpe. Wonderful. These are great responses. I love this. Clement Emehen, kpee ikpe. Wow. Wow. You blow me off. Okay, that's great. Chinonyedum kpee ikpe. No, Chinonyedum, you miss it. You miss it. You miss it. Your ikpe is not correct. You did not complete the alphabet. Your ikpe is IKPE. Okay. Okay, that is ikpe. So you correct it fine. Okay. Now let me give you the English word. Biko kaingat in comma. Let's listen very well. The word is judge the matter well. The sentence. Judge. Oh, I have not asked you for the meaning of kpee. Sorry. My God. Freda, you are right. Kpee. Sorry. Let's go back. What is the meaning of the word kpee? I've almost given you the expo. But nevertheless, let's try that. What is Shivon? Kpee is correct. So what is the meaning of the word? Okay, people are dropping the response. That is high. That is a judge. That's good. Judge. Okay. Judge. Okay, that's fine. Judge, jury. Okay. Okay, George. Chinonyerum settle our argument. That's great effort. Freda, George. Max Murano, George. Okay, great effort, great effort, great effort. So, did really to judge, okay, okay. So, either you use judge or to judge, both are correct. Judge or to judge, both are correct. That is peipe. Both are correct. Judge, deliver judgment. Judge, to judge. But to judge is actually ipe. That is not perfect. It's not to judge, but actually to judge. But we can accept that to judge. We can accept that nevertheless. No, George, I'm responding to Chino Nyerum now. She's saying that she thought that George is Onyibe, that is the person that is Okikbe. You have just said it now. The judge itself is Okikbe. Okikbe, that is George. Okikbe, that is George. Okikbe. So, but to judge is Ikbe is judge or deliver judgment. Okay, but the judge himself is Okikbe. That is different. I'm responding to Chin Nonyelum Jessica on her own observation about that. Okay, so judge, deliver judgment, settle the matter by way of, settling disagreements, but actually is to deliver judgment. That is the right word. Okay, so we move on from there. So it's deliver judgment or judge the case or judge the matter. Okay, the next word is kwenye. 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 What is the word? Okay, Jessica Chinyerem wrote, "Oh, nkita kamuatara." Okay, you tried, but it's not nkita, it's kita. You don't put N, but Kitaa, kita kamuatara. It's not watara, it's watara, GH. Okay, we'll get back to that. I think Chinonyerem, you need to buy our books. Okay, that will help you a lot to pick up some of these things. You will learn so much from there. So Chinonyerum, be ready to buy our books after this session. That will, hasten your learning and then give you some of the things you need to know. Chinonyerum, I'm talking to you. Hasting the books, very simple. After this live session, this video, then it will open our live today's own. Open the description box. You will see a link to our bookshop. You click on the link, it will take you to our bookshop where you will see all our books. You make choice as many of them you want to buy. Click on them, pay and download them for keeps. The books are wonderful. They have both text and audio in it. So price of one for both text and audio. You can't get it any cheaper. And they're so cheap, ranging from $1 to $3 or thereabout. So you can't get it that price any other place. They are so rich and so cheap. So don't miss out in these books. Buy them today before the price changes. Our naira is depreciating every day, so we may change price any moment. So get it today, not tomorrow. So those of you who are here today, you are going to buy the books. You are buying the books is not only to hasten your learning, that is their best way of also supporting us to remain in business, remain your teacher, continue pushing, covering our cost of that and other things. So buying the book is both a way of helping yourself and helping our channel and supporting us to remain in this teaching business. That's the only way we can cover our cost. So you are both supporting us by buying and you're also improving your chance of learning even faster. So please buy the books today, not tomorrow. And as you do, you will thank us later for doing that. You will appreciate that. Ask Freda. She's already reading them and she can testify. Okay? The book covers a wide range of things. Igbo alphabet, Igbo numbers, two-letter words, conversational statements, Igbo verbs and their usage. So many things are covered in the book. Just go there, go through the books, and the books, there are about 9 books there. You will pick, you will surely see 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 that you will be interested in buying. Chukwuemeka, I'm talking to you now, and the rest of you who are here today. That is the best way to support us. I bought the book, which has been very helpful as well. Okay, that's fine. But I'm sure you'll find my book more helpful because my book has audio embedded in it. You download the audio and you listen to it anytime, any day. It's for permanent keeps. So that makes my own book unique. It has both text and audio for the price of one. Very cheap, $1 to $3. Thank you, Chukwuemeka. I know you're going to buy after this session. Okay, we move on. So we are talking about which is the meaning of kwenye is what? Drop the meaning of kwenye. Kwenye, what is the meaning of the word kwenye? I hope I still have time to do this. Oh, we've gone so much. Okay, Freda Jumbo said very unique. She referring to the book. So she bought all the books after our last Saturday session, and she's saying they are unique. You can't get it anywhere. Where do you have ebook that has audio and text? You can't get it anywhere for that price. So not buying is just like you don't want the best for yourself. So you please have to buy those books. They are so helpful to you. Whether you have data or not, you will always listen to my voice because you're going to download the audio and have it permanently in your phone or computer. Okay? Some people are writing the meaning of kwenye, okay, which is kwenye is believe. Ben wrote believe, agree. Max wrote kwenye means agree. Okay? I'm waiting for others to drop their own responses on the word kwenye. Okay, kwenye, right. What is the meaning of the word kwenye? It means agree. Mas Bruno, Murano, that's great. What are other people saying? I'm sure some people have not hit the like button on top for this live session. Do that. That is so important to us. Hit the like button on top, share this, and let's move on. I'm looking for the meaning of the word kwenye. Who is doing that for us now? Who is doing that for us? Yeah, some people have written. What are the other people waiting for? Tidrili, I don't think he can speak Mandarin. I don't understand what you are talking about. Okay, you mean the man that is from Italia? Is that what you're referring to? I don't know. Okay, kwenye means fungus. I don't understand what you mean, Daniel. Okay, this guy that is disturbing us and distracting us, Daniel. Daniel, I think you should get something more important to do with your time than this thing you are doing here, Daniel. I think you have something better to do with your time. So think of what to do that will benefit you more than wasting your time here. Okay, Odema. Okay, we're moving on. Kwenye, the meaning agree. Okay, that's great. Agree. Okay, kwenye, agree, believe. Okay, please ignore. Of course, that's what I've told people. Ignore Daniel and let's move on. Don't waste your time responding to that. So let's move on. Please agree. That's fine. Yes. Who else is responding? I think Daniel is also making up my watch time. I think he's doing something here. He's adding to my watch time, and that is YouTube will recognize him as one of my viewers, and then he will add to my watch hours. So that's not a problem actually. Thank you, Daniel, for contributing to my watch hours on YouTube. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let's move on. I'm talking about kwenye, the meaning of that. Some people wrote agree. Some people wrote believe. Okay, both agree and believe are correct for kwenye. Both are correct. Okay, both of them are correct. Agree or believe. Both are correct. Now let's take a sentence. Okay. So kwenye or kwere, And I also want to say this. This kwenye can also be pronounced as kwere, kwere or kwenye. Believe, agree, kwere or kwenye, both are correct. So either of the two are correct. If you spell it as kwere, that is Kwere, it's fine. If you say kwenye, it's fine. Both are correct. Okay, agree. Okay, believe. Okay, let's use both of them. Agree with him. Agree with him. Maybe we are having misunderstanding or argument. Okay. Agree with him. What is that in Igbo? Agree with him. Okay. How do you write that in Igbo language? Agree with him. Okay. Esther wrote kwenye ya. Okay, that's good effort. Esther, I don't know you're still here. Okay, kwenye ya. Okay, good effort. But that is not actually the way it should be written. But you tried. Gina ya ga ekwere. Okay, kwere ya. Okay. Kwere ya. Okay. Is that it can also be said to be believe him or agree with him. Kwenye makaya. Chukwemeka, good effort. Sherry mango. Kwenye nagi. Okay. Believe in you. Okay. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Kwenye makaya chukwemeka. Sherry kwenye na gị. Okay. Gị na ya ga-ekwere. That's bad. Freda kwenye na ya. Okay. I say agree with him, not agree in him. Ikwere na ụmụnne. Children, are always writing funny things. Max, kwenye na ya. Okay, Faith Barbara. Oh, Faith Barbara, you are here. It's like you are just joining us now. Okay, promise. Okay, Clement, kwenye na ya. Shivon, kwenye na ya. Okay. Enwere m mgbu azụ n'ihi nnukwu. Okay, so we're moving on now. So, kwenye na ya, agree with him is actually kwenyere ya, or gị na ya kwere, gị na ya kwere, or kwenyere ya. It's also the same thing as believe in him, kwenyere ya, or kwere na ya. Okay, because I say him, not ge. I didn't say you. Ge is you. For those of you who are saying ge, it's not ge, it's ya. Kwenye na ya. Okay, Clement Emehe got it fine. Shivon, kwenye na ya. Okay, that's better. Okay, kwenye na ya. Kwenyere ya is actually what I said we should do. Okay, kwenye ya. Let me see. Kwenye makaya, kwere ya. Chikezi actually got it fine better. Kwere ya, believe him or agree with him. But it should be kwenyere ya. Agree with him. Kwenyere ya. That is actually better. Kwere ya is just like saying believe him. That is kwere ya. Kwere ya, but believe him. Ma kwenyere ya, agree with him. Okay? That is far, far better in that sense. And then we go to the last one, I guess, for today is kwuputa. Kwuputa, because our time is fast spent. Kwuputa, that is the last word for today. Kwuputa. Kwuputa. Drop the word. Okay? Kwuputa. That is the last word for today. Drop it now. Kwuputa. Okay, kwuputa. Chikezie, great. As a class captain, yes. Who is dropping the word? Kwuputa. Kwuputa. Yes, while we are waiting for the word, please, those of you who are in our class today, especially our new students and even our old students who have not bought our recent books and the old ones, please do that after this class. We appreciate you, appreciate your support. You know, you need to do that to encourage yourself and support yourself, to have revision materials and even learn faster. And as you do that too, you are supporting this channel. That's the best way you can support us for now, to keep us, in this business, keep us coming around, teaching you, cover some of our costs, So please, buying is a way of supporting us and supporting yourself to learn faster. Those who have bought before have improved so much. So do that today and you'll be glad you did after this class. We appreciate you in advance. Okay, uputa. Some people wrote uputa, like it really is not uputa, it's who. KW is one that started the word. Okay? Chinonyere agree. Chinonyere, you are coming late. We're past that level. We are no more talking about Kwenyere. We're in different thing now. Is uputa. Okay? Freda, great. Uputa, that's great. Who else is writing? Who else is writing? Okay. Who else is writing? Uputa. Okay. Now let's go to the meaning of the word. Why I wait for others to write. What does that mean because of our time? Uputa, what does it mean? What does uputa mean? Yes. What does that mean? Uputa. What does it mean? Somebody should drop the meaning for us. Yeah. What is the meaning? What I usually hear native speakers say agree as kwe. Okay. Kwere ya or kwenyere ya. Kwe is the short form of that word. Kwere or kwenyere. That is the short form of it. Okay. So it's not kwe. When you hear kwe, they are breaking the word into two. That is the short form of it. Kwe or kwere. The word is kwere or kwenyere. Okay. But when you break it, it becomes kwe for short. I'm talking to Chinonyerem Jessica now. Okay. Uputa, confess. Say out. Okay, Shuvon, declare. Sherry Mango, speak out. BS, where are you, bro? BS, you're asking where I am. I am teaching from Nigeria. Are you interested in learning Igbo language? For now, we teach online. We have live sessions with so many people. Some of my students are here with me. So we have our YouTube channel, but we use this live session to practice what we've learned and challenge ourselves to learn more and measure our level of progress for my students and whoever is interested. But if you want direct teaching, we do online teaching for now. So you can contact me after this session. Drop a comment or we have our email address over there. Send a mail. Thank you very much, BS, for your inquiries. Now we move on. Which means speak out. Speak out. Declare. Who I know is say, speak. Of course, who is say now, but we're talking about who puta. Okay? We're talking about who puta. Okay? So, Chinonyere mkwere ya is also saying mkwenyere ya. So, it's the same word. I think who puta means speak out. Yeah. Chukwemeka, you're right. That is say it out. Speak out. Say out. Say it out. Who puta. Speak out or speak up. Just say it so that somebody can hear what you're saying. Speak out, speak up. That is right. That is uputa. Okay? That's right. Uputa. That's great. We'll take a sentence for that. Okay. Are you soldier boy? Okay. That's still the same naughty boy. No problem. Keep on going on. So we move on. And then finally, for today, say out what you mean. Say out what you mean. That's the last sentence for today. Say out what you mean. What is that in Igbo? Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? Say out what you mean. Dee ya n'Igbo. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Say out what you mean, or speak out what you mean, or say what you mean. Okay? Ana m eche unu deenu ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Deenu ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Say out what you mean. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Kwupụta ihe ya mma. That's Sherry Mango. Okay, good effort. Say out what you mean. Then wrote, kwupụta ihe ị pụtara. Great effort. Chikezie, kwupụta ihe ọ pụtara. I say what you mean. What you mean, not what it means. Chikezie wrote, say out what it means, not it, you. What you mean. Talking to Chikezie now. So you can correct your sentence. I know you can do that. Do that, Chikezie. I know you can. Okay. Kwuo ihe dị ahịrịokwu. Okay. Okay, did really? Okay, say out what you mean. Kwupụta ka ihe gị ama. Oh, I didn't get that. Clement, kwupụta ka ihe gị ama. Okay, Chikezie, kwupụta ihe i chere. Okay, good effort, better effort. Freda, kwuo ihe ị na-ekwu. Okay, great. Chinonyere m, kwupụta ihe ị na-ekwu. Okay, Max, kwupụta ihe ị na-ekwu. Okay, all of you tried. But what you mean, okay, is ihe ibu n'uche. What you mean, ihe ibu n'uche. What you carry in your heart. What is in your mind. What is in your head. Ihe ibu n'uche. That is the right thing. Okay? So it is kwupụta ihe ibu n'uche. Gụnwa ihe I gu bu n'uche. What is in your mind? What is in your head? What you are thinking. So it is kwupụta ihe ibu n'obi or ibu n'uche. Right word. So it's kwupụta ihe ibu n'uche. Ihe ibu n'uche. What is in your mind? What you are carrying in your mind or your head? Ihe ibu n'uche. What is in your mind? Okay? Ihe ibu n'uche. Okay? Or ihe ibu n'obi. Or ihe dị gị n'obi. Just like Chikezie wrote, ihe dị gị n'obi. What is in your mind? That is the word. Okay? Kwupụta ihe ibu n'uche. Okay, Chukwuemeka, that's better now. That's fine now. Okay, kwupụta ihe ibu n'uche. Great. Kwupụta ihe, but ihe bu n'obi. I know you want to write ihe ibu n'obi, but you wrote but. That is typographical error. I know. It's computer that confused you. I know. You wanted to write ihe ibu n'obi, but your typo affected you wrote but, not ihe ibu. You wanted to write ibu, but you wrote but. I know what you want to do. Clement, kwupụta ihe n'obi n'uche. No, ihe ibu na uche n'uche. Okay? So, kwupụta ihe ibu n'uche. So this n'obi na you wrote is no more necessary again. Clement, Emehe. So this is where we're drawing the curtain for today. We're almost here for almost 2 hours now. So that's enough for today. And I want to appreciate all of you. No, maka ịbịa na class taa. Obi dị m ụtọ niile iso m bịa na klaasị taa iwee mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka, asụsụ Igbo dị ụtọ. Ya mere ka anyị na-abịa na Satọde niile, elekere 2 nke ehihie, Satọde niile, ka anyị nọrọ ebe a n'ezigbo oge ka anyị wee mechie n'oge. Ya bụ, biko gbasaa akụkọ a, gwa ndị agbata obi gị, gwa ndị enyi gị, ka onye ọbụla mara na anyị na-amụ Igbo n'ebe a n'otu ugbo na ihu na ihu. Ọ bụghị vidiyo, ka bụ ihu na ihu ka anyị na-eme ya. Ya bụ, biko gbaa mbọ be ebe a n'izu ụka ọzọ ka izukọkwa next Saturday. Let's be here same time, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 13:00 GMT. Let's make it at the appropriate time. Let's not delay so that we can cover enough before the I don't want to be extending to 2 hours. It's too much for us. 1 hour is enough. 1 hour 30 minutes is too high. So please let's come on time so that we can close on time and cover enough ground each day. Please, for those of us who have promised to buy our books, those of you who have not bought before, those who have bought before but who have not bought our latest release, please go to our homepage, go to our website, go to the link which I'm going to drop, which is already in the description box of this live session. Click it, buy our books today. That is the only way you can support us and keep us doing this. Encourage us to do this continuously. Buy these books. It will help your learning. It will help us to remain in business and encourage us to do more. So the more you do that, the more you are pushing us on. You are nudging us to go on. So don't say, I can speak Igbo, even though you can speak. Buy for your friend. Buy for neighbor. Buy for your children. Send it to anyone. Encourage them to speak Igbo and learn Igbo. As you do, God bless you. Chukwu gọzie gị. Ka ọ dị izu ụka ọzọ. Chukwu gọzie gị. Daalụ. Ka emesịa.